We are making crab fried rice. You need Uncle Ben's ready rice, jasmine, and follow the directions. Cook it in the microwave. Then you need 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable or canola oil. Add it to your pan. Add 2 cups of cooked jasmine rice. In the middle of the skillet, stir in 1 large egg. Mix it well. This is optional. Add 1 to 3 chilies, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 2 scallions thinly sliced, a 1/4 cup of minced cilantro, salt, pepper. Add 4 ounces of cooked chunks of crab meat. Then add 2 teaspoons of Asian fish sauce. Now you can purchase the Asian fish sauce at Walmart or Kroger's. Served warm. Enjoy Thai Khao Phat Boo. Throw your likes up if you enjoy this recipe. Slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of me and my things and stuff and stuff.